stick them in the box. The thing that you put them in.
Where does the ball come out from?
This guy's a fucking animal.
Here, lefty me?
That's what I said. Ooh, nice.
Sorry. Better do this in softball, Adam. That's why you should wear a helmet.
Are those like softballs? They sound like dodgeballs when they hit the floor.
Devastating. I would took a baby's head off.
I would not want to get hit by a bat from this guy.
I don't think he has a second job. I think he goes to the batting cages all day. Thing looks good. Get ready, Mike. Get ready. Bam, 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 bam. He's using baseball to hit softball.